In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on this icon of a sun. And when you see an A inside it, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same sun until the letter disappears. Now, you can always go into settings as well to tap on display section available here and manage auto brightness thanks to this switcher next to adaptive brightness feature right under brightness slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!